Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be cooking green beans with turkey bacon, guys. Another must have on your plate for the holidays. Why wait? Let's get started. So here, my lovelies, the ingredients are 2.5 pounds fresh green beans, 10 slices turkey bacon. I don't eat pork, guys, so this is my flavorful smoked turkey bacon, 1 medium red onion, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon total seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 2 cups chicken stock. So let's get started, guys. Now I will cut the bacons into small pieces. Now I will add them to my pan. This is going to be so good, guys. Now I will snap my beans into 2, guys. So now let's go over to the stove, guys. Now I will turn the heat to mid-high. Just giving it some more time, guys, to get to that level, guys. Wow, I can smell the bacon, guys. I can smell the bacon. I'm not trying to make it crispy, guys. This is going to be so delicious, guys. Now I will remove the bacon from the pan. Now I will go ahead and add the onion. I will now add garlic. Turn your heat to low. Smelling so good, guys. So good. Add sugar. Yum good, guys. Total seasoning. Black pepper, salt, and paprika. I will now go ahead and add the beans, guys. Looking good, guys, already. It's looking good already, guys. Now I will add the bacon, guys. So now I will add the chicken stock, guys. Cover and let's cook. Wow guys, look at this. Now that it has been boiling, guys, I will let it cook for an hour. Smelling so good, guys. I wish you all could smell it, guys. So let's continue to cook for an hour. Wonderful, guys. Look at this. I'm tasting, guys. I really can't wait, guys. I'm tasting. This recipe is a must, guys. This is a must on your plate. So here we go, my lovelies. It's now 1 hour and 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like, guys. Let's test. Wow. So delicious, guys. Southern style green beans with bacon, guys. This is a must on your plate. Please leave me a comment, like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.